What a feeling! Oof, look at this. And rice terraces. Ay, ay, ay.
Go to road only, not allowed to reserve forest.
Yeah, wild animals?
Wild animal,
No elephants?
no elephant.
No, okay. Up. That's your sign as well to go and explore. Oh. Yeah, I think I will stop listening to recommendations and do my own thing. It's time for lunch. I have butter paneer and paratha. Cannot wait to eat. I'm pretty hungry actually. All right. Camera doesn't work. I think it's overheating. I have a stoelstomach. Full stomach. Okay. You wanna work? No. Okay. I have a full stomach and now I can remember why I don't eat that much for lunch, because I get tired so bad. But we're leaving, so I put 3 stops in between until I reach my destination for today, because I want to take another route, and it's just showing me like one stop after another how many kilometers I have to ride. But in total it will be around 70 kilometers, and I will ride for 2 hours and 20 minutes for 70 kilometers. Up. Work. No. Okay. So let's go. Ready to ride into the hills. Tired but ready. Yeah, I was hoping to ride through the palm trees here, and I think that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Oof. Wow. So beautiful, and it's even dry season. I think what I will basically do now is ride from one little village to another. I didn't know where he wants to go. Okay. Alright, road is getting better. That's pretty cool. Oh wait. Okay, already have a nice view. That was fast now. Wow. What a feeling! Ha! Who would have known that I would have such a beautiful day today? Riding from one amazing landscape into another. Okay, you're not working anymore. It's too hot for the DJI. I absolutely love this road. Perfect smooth pavements, winding roads, and a beautiful location. Look how colorful these houses are. Wow. Wow, you see that? Nice. Okay. Focus on the road, Lucy. Oops, steep. Second gear. No car. Nice. Very nice. Can you remember that my actual plan was to go from Nagapattinam to Chennai on the coastal roads on the highway? I am happy I didn't do that. Imagine I would miss that. My goodness. I would be really mad if I would miss that. Toll. Wow. Wow, the combination of these rocky hills, palm trees, and I don't know, not even pine trees. I don't know what kind of trees they are, but that's insane. That's insane. Arctic Fest machine. Woof. Crazy tree. Excuse me. Thank you. I'm so fascinated by these trees here. Oof, look at this. It feels like I'm riding through a fairy tale. And rice terraces, not even a rice field. Look at this tree here. Look at the stem. Imagine somebody is telling you a fairy tale and that there are fairies under a tree or living in a tree. You would imagine a tree like that, right? So it really feels like I'm riding through a fairy tale. Look at this road. Curves after curves and hairpins after hairpins. Aquí estamos pa' que te recuerde. Si quiere mi machete te muerte. Si quiere mi machete te muerte. Bus. stupid Google Maps. Right? Wow. Baby girl. That was way faster than expected. It took me 1.5 hours and found a stay for this night of oh no. Oh, here? Yeah, I was just thinking like, why? Okay, wait. I have to pull it back up. You hear that? Silence. Oh, how I love it. If you want to see my surroundings, nature, 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 tents. What a beautiful place, right? I will link it so you know where it is, so you can come as well and support this awesome owner. Okay, cool. Arrived in my container. 900 rupees per person per night. And I will end this video now because I experienced a lot today. A lot. And I think even if I explore now, the video will be too long. So I will end it now. I will explore tomorrow. And it was an amazing day. It's 3 p.m. It took me 1.5 hours to come here instead of 2 hours and 20 minutes or something like that. And yeah, I will enjoy it here now, edit some videos for you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.